Good morning, Tux. It's not your food. Oh God. Here you guys go. Tux, you know that's not your food. Come on, Tux. Tuxie, come here. Hopefully he won't strike. Tux, come on. Come on, bud. Let's go. Tuxie, come here. Come on, Tux. Let's go. Here's your food. Whew. The only time he doesn't try to kill. His first thing in the morning when he's hungry. Good morning, buddy. Good morning. No, he's a good boy. But he doesn't like Stripe. So I did get this tree at Guardian Angel yesterday in the 15% off sale. I really like it. I can see it out my window. Hey, Gray! I'm coming to the front porch. Just give me a minute. It's kind of foggy out there this morning. Well, everybody's where they were supposed to be. So Don and I are in Ruby, headed to the environmental park, and like I said, it's foggy out here this morning, although it's not really impacting visibility. It's just after 8. We are walking early this morning because I have someplace to be today. Doesn't feel like I'm off the school run. I don't know why I do these things to myself. But anyway, yearly doctor's appointment. I've got to be in Durham by 10:25, so we had to walk a little early. Oh, it is all nice and clean from the leaves over here. It's time to run. I think I'll only be doing a half lap today. Oh, look at this guy with his ball. I've not seen him before. Morning romp time. It's 9:35. I've left myself 50 minutes to get there to my doctor's appointment, and Ruby says it'll take 40 minutes, so I'm on time. It's been a morning because we got up at 7 and got out the door to walk as quick as we could and walked as quick as we could, and then I got in and changed and got ready to leave as quick as I could. And it may just feel nice to just sit in the car for a few minutes and listen to my Audible book. I do miss that when I'm out of the car for a couple of weeks on holiday. That quiet time in the car, listening to the book or listening to music. I miss it a little bit. Although when I'm in there with my Legos, now that I've got my wireless earbuds, sometimes I'm either watching a Hallmark movie or I'm listening to my Audible book through my ears while I'm working. I can do that. So yeah, Stripe's going to his chair to sleep for a while. I can tell he's between the cars and he sleeps on that chair there a lot. Yep, he's gonna jump up. I saw like a shadow of a cat while I was finishing that last segment come past the car, so I'm just double checking Marty's not anywhere near, and he's not. Let me put it back in drive. Look through the mirror over here, and yeah, I can still see Marty. Tux is in the hutch. Morris wasn't around, so we're good. And I usually take off like this, the first 3 little movements, just in case somebody's near the car, to let them know it's getting ready to be in motion, and they would, you know, give them a chance to scatter. Well, I'm glad the fog is not impeding my ability to travel at a regular speed. It's just pretty. Sort of makes me wish I had time to stop somewhere and take a few pictures. So when I get home, I'm taking Johnny to get his 3rd Pfizer shot, his booster shot. And not sure if I'm going to have time to make any stops on the way back from the doctor's office or not. I would like to stop at Guardian Angel, Apex, and/or Whole Foods over there off the turnpike, not my normal location. I guess they call it Cary West. But I don't know that I'm gonna have time to do either of those two things. I need to be home not later than 1:45, but really 1:30 would be a not rushing time to be home to pick up Johnny. So we'll see. I'll just play it by ear. If the doctor is really on time and everything goes pretty quick, then I might have time for something. If he's late at all, I can kiss that idea goodbye. So on my list of places to drive Jules with the FSD beta turned on is this stretch of Highway 55 here headed north in Holly Springs. You notice these two left turn U-turn lanes over here that's associated with the super intersection. Ruby and Jules both, at least pre-FSD beta, treated those like they were in the lane of travel, like so the car would slow or start to brake or tell you you had to tap to acknowledge the stoplight. So I'm really interested to see how the beta handles it. Also, when we come up to these super intersections, this one here is one example. Notice the way the road is painted with the dots off to the side and an extremely long stretch of no paint at all. The cars also tend to really veer out of the lane when that happens also. So I just want to see if the FSD beta code is handling it better than the standard autopilot code. So we'll try to get over here. I would guess we'd be able to do that sometime before the end of the weekend. I am almost in my normal spot over here. I think we can share. He backs out careful. We'll be good. Probably won't need to back out while I'm inside if I had to guess. Maybe he's there for a while. Notice I'm assuming it's a he. Not necessarily, I understand. Hey, the sun's out and Ruby's looking sparkly. So if I left and went straight home, I'd probably get there, let's just round it up to say 12:20. So I have approximately an hour and 15 minutes. So probably gonna stop at either Whole Foods or Guardian Angel Apex. I'm trying to make up my mind. Probably the Whole Foods. Yeah, this Whole Foods is right off the the turnpike 540 here, and it's only 13 minutes away. And it's, you can see in the map here, it's basically on the way home because the rest of home is down this way. So it's sort of on the way. I looked in my side mirror and what do I see? I see a red Model X. Oh, that's right. I'm in a red Model X. I think the X was headed to the supercharger. He got off at the exit going north and I got up at the exit going south. Whole Foods is just a stoplight down. All right, from this location, if I leave right now, I get home at 12:30. I want to get home at 1:30. So I've got an hour. I'm not going to be in here an hour. All should be good. But to be clear, it's 12 and I need to be in Ruby by 1. I bet that's got some really cute pictures. They on the back. Yeah, really cute pictures. Oh, they have a gray kitty that looks like Panther. Well, I got in and out quick. I was only in there 30 minutes and I got what I needed, got what I came for. But every time I come in the store, I keep on wanting to really like it better than my regular store, or at least as much as my regular store, and I just don't. And I swear I go in with an open mind. It could be a better experience this time, and it never is. The meat counter is so tiny and unstocked that it just, I don't even know how people buy meat at this store. I guess that maybe that's the point. And the parking, you would think it's better, but the way the carts and the access to the store are, it's not. And well, I can't find anything because it's not my store, but I could get used to that in a little bit. But yeah, I just never, the store, yeah, glad I'm out. I really do enjoy the turnpike. I wish it wasn't as expensive to use it as it is. it costs somewhere between $3 and $4 for us to take it one direction the whole distance. Oftentimes we are taking it the whole distance, but it's such a joy to drive. Are you getting some nice sun? Hi. Meow. Hello, buddy. Hello. Good boy. Yeah, it's a nice sunny spot. Hi. Hi. Meow. Hello. Good boy. I'm back from taking Johnny for his booster shot. No taekwondo tonight, and I don't think I'm going back out. And if we do, we'll take Jules. Well, the day is coming to an end. Somebody's been burning. I can smell the smoke. Don got off work a few minutes ago and he's piddling. He's doing stuff in the garage. It's stew night. Thank you, Donnie.
Hey, pretty girl.
Oh, look.
Yeah, it's all snuggly in here.
Aww. Of my very own fire in the Tesla.
Uh-huh.
Oh, aww.
Cute little thing.
So we are going to go look at some Christmas lights, and I see Don was just setting the mood. Wants to make sure he gets all those brownie points tonight.
Points. I'm working on it. Yep.
So we're just in the neighborhood across the street from us, and you know, just take a little driver through. This one's very pretty.
I like Santa's pickup.
Yep. The deer, Yoda. They have our wreath, or a version very similar too.
Yeah, just smaller.
Yeah.
But I think it's the same company.
Yeah, they have the icicle lights that we have, and those things, they just won't hang straight. Icicles do not form diagonally. Guess I'm recommending that you don't get icicle shaped lights. Oh wow, look at the minions. Go up, go up just a little further. Stop right there. So the sign says ugly sweater contest. I really like the people in here that decorate their tree at the street. There's lots of them decorated. Now they went through some ladder work to get the lights up that high. I really like it. And for all you people that don't like warm white and bright white all in the same place, but it works. It works for that tree. Really does. It's a good amount of lights.
Yep.
Okay, this section over here needs some Christmas spirit. It's quite lacking. Here we go. I always like this snowman on the end of this house over here. He's pretty cool. I sent a picture of this to Michelle. So this is without a doubt my favorite house in this neighborhood. Kept coming by last year and it was never turned on. It was all decorated up. Well, we kept missing them. The elf on the shelf always sits out here near the street. He's got a mask on this year. Well, it is a sign of the times. For sure. I love the snowman. Don's being super patient while I take hundreds of pictures trying to get the one. That's pretty. It is. Tastefully done. I like it. They need you to come fix the other inflatable that the lights are out on, though. It's a little sad the puppy dog's not lit up.
Yep.
And there's a zipper. While it's off, you can get inside there, and Don's replaced them before, and
yeah.
Yeah.
Well, the LED ones aren't as bad, but the
And
LED inflatables, with little LED lights, they're not so bad to go out like the old C7s. But it's also, if they do go out, you pretty much can't really fix them. You have to come up with another light, replace the LED somehow.
Yeah, well, some of them had, oh, I want to do the snowmen over here. Some of them would have these covers over top of the bulbs, and they were darn near impossible to open without breaking. But I like what they've done there. They made their own little trees on each side of the porch and then put a star on top. It's pretty cool. I don't think that's a kid. I think they did that.
I agree.
Nicely done.
Yep, I like the little scarecrow or whatever it is.
The snowman?
Well, yeah, whatever. You got one of those.
Yep. So I used to 100% have blue everything at Christmas. And then all of a sudden I didn't. Even all the lights on the tree were blue at one point. 5 or 6 years running at least. Watch the teddy, he hugs. Johnny and I have one of the teddies. We didn't put him up this year. I don't think ours hugs though. Well, this street has got the cheer. Both sides.
Quite nice.
So this family has quite the Christmas village set up in their garage. The garage door is up, but they've got like plexiglass down in front. And they've set up their display and lit it up, and amazing. And some of the pieces are moving, so they must be like Limax or something. Here's the rest of the front yard. They said it was okay to go walk up and look at it on your South Park neighborhood, so let me do that. I mean, just so you can see that it really is the garage, which is very impressive what they've done here with the plexiglass. Santa this way. Wow. I am so impressed. I'm trying to decide if they're all Limax or all the same brand of village. I would say probably. Wow, very nicely done. So behind the door, obviously they've got a curtain and it's got some glitter paint on it. Well, that must be a lot of years of collecting the Limax. Michaels. Wow. See, whenever you think I have too many village pieces, just remember this garage.
Right.
Well, that's pretty cool. A snowman, hot air balloon with a Santa. That one's very different.
Yep, it's unique. I haven't seen one like that.